Hello kids, welcome back to another video on integers. So in the last video, we were working with addition and subtraction of integers like on the number line. But every time if we add or subtract the integers, do we will be making the number line again and again? Yeah. So we can also add or subtract the integers with the number line as well. So in the today's video, we will be learning with that. So I have taken the two integers for that and let's add them. So my integers are -2 and I'm adding 3 in that. Let me tell you one thing before we start with that. If you are having uh, negative and positive in your calculation, that means your calculation will be a subtraction. Like it means like if you are having a negative and positive in your calculation, the signs, the uh, when we club these two signs, the answer is always a negative, right? And if you club the positive and positive, that's always a positive. And if you club the negative and negative, that's also a positive, right? So I can see here there are two signs, a positive and negative. Like minus, there is a minus and then there is a positive inside, right? So plus and minus, they makes a minus. So in total, I will be subtracting the two numbers. So what are my two numbers? 3 and 2. Let's subtract them. 3 minus 2. That's 3 minus 2, which is equals to 1. So you're going to write here the 1. Now, thing is that, like when we are dealing with the integers, we need to be careful with the sign, like whether we will be getting a positive number or do we will be getting the negative number. So here, you're gonna go with the sign with the bigger number always. So which one is the bigger out of 2 and 3? Yeah, 3 is bigger. So what's the sign with that? It's a positive. So your answer will also a positive.